Looking for a graduate program that will challenge you, inspire you, and help you grow? Hi everyone, I am Sir Paul John N. Pilapil, the Acting Guidance Counselor of Knowledge C and a proud student of Master of Science in Psychology at the Recoletos de Bacolod Graduate School. What makes the Recoletos de Bacolod Graduate School special? It's more than just earning a degree. It's about becoming a better professional and a better person. The program offers quality education, meaningful research experiences, and mentors who truly guide and inspires you in every step of the way. So, if you're ready to level up your career and make a difference in the lives of others, the MS Psychology program at RBGS is the perfect place for you. Choose growth, choose purpose, choose RBGS. Enroll now and we'll see you at the Recoletos de Bacolod Graduate School. Salto Uno, Salto Recoleto.